This is the upper control arm. The one on the car had a hole in it, so I bought another one. But when I removed the bushes, I found out that this also has holes in it. But it was slightly better than the original from the car, so I decided to use it anyway. I'm going to weld the hole, but first grind away the rust so I have clean metal to weld on. I finally got a hold of a gas bottle for the welder. I've had a lot of trouble looking to buy one from a private person. So now I can finally start welding.
'Cause I wanna take you somewhere far. And I wanna give you all my heart.
After some grinding, I found another hole.
Light it up, light it up, light it up. Light it up, light it up, light it up.
After cleaning the upper and lower control arm of the right side, it's time to use metal prep and then paint it with 415.
There's nothing else that's right for you and I. The sun will